Hello. Yes, good afternoon guys. Sa lahat ng tatanong kung asan ako nung nakaraang weeks, ito po busy sa pagluluto. Actually, late upload ko na to guys and late, ano ba yun, voice over again. Kasi ang dami kong ginagawa sa nakaraang araw. Yan po, fast forward na po tayo kasi na-prepare ko na po lahat-lahat. Then nakaluto na ako yan. Kasi we are planning to go outside. Yeah, nagluto rin ako ng fried chicken. Yes, ang lungkot ng voice over ko. Hindi ko alam kung mag voice over pa or what. Ayan guys, because we are going to somewhere again. Then it's really ready to all it's now and I'm ready to cook and let's eat. Yes, kumakain na sila guys. Okay. Thank you for watching and thank you.